And of course, it's important to understand that all of these spaces are potential spaces. So this is a space that exists. It's been pressed into the back of this sapphire crystal. And if we wanted to see what the process would be to turn it into a letter of gold, we would grasp in SketchUp our color that we're calling gold, and we would proceed to turn this letter gold. And as we turn it gold, it changes its appearance. To look as though it's filled with gold. And of course, at some point, the entire letter would be full, because we're 3D printing the letter to be gold. So we're filling that cavity up with gold. And that is now a golden letter inside of this sapphire crystal. And the letter that we turned gold is this one, and it's showing the inner surface of it. You can see that we went across the face of the sapphire crystal. Here's the back side of it, and now as we move across the face, we're inside the sapphire crystal. So we've got to go down to where this letter is. It's this letter I right here. And so we'll go across the sapphire crystal. To this letter I. And that has now been turned into a golden letter, surrounded on all sides by sapphire. And this would be the process by which we took each one of these individual letters that had been pressed into the sapphire cover crystal as depressions in the sapphire cover crystal. And they now have been filled up with gold, and we have a golden letter I there. And that's what that would look like. So you can see that we've taken that one solitary letter and filled it with gold. And the way we filled it with gold was to use our 3D direct metal printing process to go to this particular empty spot on this crystal and fill that empty spot up with gold. And what would happen is all these different letters would be filled up. And now these are potential spaces. They are not here for the purpose of being filled with gold. The other thing that would become filled up with gold would be this channel that turns into the cross. To show you how this potential space works here, we have to go get one of the gemstones. And we'll go down here to this diamond, and we'll go all the way down to it till we have it. and we've moved it out of its position